Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss chapter 12, that is exponents and powers. How can we represent any number in the form of exponents? For a large number like this, we can write this number in the forms of 2 into, how many zeros are there? 6 zeros. So I can further write this as 2 into 10 की power 6. So this is the exponential form. If a number is given 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, how can I write this number in the forms of exponent? I have to count the number of 2's repeating here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 2 is repeating. So I can write this as 2 की power 5. This is read as 2 raised to power 5 or 2 की power 5. Here 2 is the base and 5 is the exponent or index. Up to this you have started in class 7th also, where the exponent or the index is a पॉजिटिव नंबर 2 की पावर 5. यहाँ 5 जो है आपका पॉजिटिव एक्सपोनेंट से. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस इन द क्लास 8 नेगेटिव एक्सपोनेंट्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई एम हैविंग अ नंबर 2 की पावर -5, here the base is 2, the exponent is -5. Here the exponent is a negative exponent. So we are going to discuss this type of numbers here. How can we solve this, or how can we make this type of exponent a positive form? We can write this as 1 upon 2 की power 5. आप इसका रेसिप्रोकल कर सकते हैं. 2 की पावर -5 का मतलब क्या है? इफ वी वांट टू मेक इट पॉजिटिव, अगर मुझे इस पावर को पॉजिटिव बनाना है, what should I do? I need to do the reciprocal of this given number. So I can write 1 upon 2 की power 5. Now it's in positive form, positive exponential form. If I am having any other number like 4 upon 3 raised to power -3, and I need to convert it into positive exponential form, we just have to do the reciprocal of this number. So 1 upon 4 upon 3 raised to power 3. Further, it can be written as 3 upon 4 की power 3. Just what we have done here, we have done the reciprocal here. 4 upon 3 की power -3 को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? 3 upon 4 की power 3 लिख सकते हैं. यहाँ नेगेटिव एक्सपोनेंट था, now it's converted into positive form when we have interchanged the numerators and denominators here. 4 upon 3 को 3 upon 4 जब हमने लिखा, तो इसकी जो पावर है वो नेगेटिव से किस में कन्वर्ट हो गई? आपकी पॉजिटिव फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट. नाउ फर्दर वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस द लॉज ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट्स which you have studied in previous class also. Let's discuss the applicability of these laws in terms of negative exponents also. First, when bases are same and these are in multiplication and the powers are different. Bases are same, powers are different, and these bases are in multiplication. At that time, powers will be added. A raised to power m into a raised to power n. This can be written as a raised to power m plus n. For example, if I am having a number 2 की power -3 into 2 की power -5. Here both the numbers, दोनों ही numbers की आपकी क्या है? नेगेटिव पावर्स हैं. सिंस बेसिस आर सेम, बेसिस सेम है, तो पावर्स क्या होती हैं हमारे पास? ऐड होती हैं. सो क्या लिख सकते हैं हम इसको? 2 की पावर -3 -5, बिकॉज प्लस माइनस आपका साइन जो आएगा दैट विल बी नेगेटिव हियर. नाउ बोथ द नंबर्स आर नेगेटिव, सो दीज विल बी एडेड एंड वी गेट 2 की पावर -8. एंड दिस फर्दर वी कैन राइट दिस एज 2 की पावर 8, 1 upon 2 की power 8 in the form of positive exponent. Let's discuss the second law. When we are having same bases, powers different, but these bases are in division. A raised to power m divided by a raised to power n. This is always equal to a raised to power m minus n. Here, a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n. When bases are same and these are in division and powers are different, at that time powers are subtracted. a की power m minus n. आपके पास powers यहाँ पर क्या होती हैं? subtract हो जाती हैं जब आपके पास bases same है, these are in division and powers are different. For example, if I write 2 raised to power minus 2 divided by 2 raised to power 5. Since bases are same, powers are different and these are in division, so we can write minus 2 minus 5. आपकी powers क्या हो गई यहाँ पर? subtract हो गई. Now both the numbers are negative, so these will be added. So the power or the exponent will become 2 की power minus n. Now since this is a negative exponent and we need to write in the positive form, what we have to do next step? We can do the reciprocal of this. So 1 upon 2 की power 7 we can write here. If for any rational number a, there are two powers, a raised to power m raised to power n. At that time powers will be multiplied. It is a raised to power mn. For example, if I am having any number 2 raised to power 3 and raised to power minus 2. Again here powers will be multiplied. Same rule will be applied here. So it will become 2 raised to power 3 into minus 2. That is equal to 2 raised to power minus 6. Again it's a negative exponent, so make it positive by doing the reciprocal. Reciprocal इसका कर देंगे तो हमारे पास क्या हो जाएगा ये? This will be 1 upon 2 की power 6. So it's a positive form. Now the fourth law. When bases are different but the powers are same and these are in the multiplication. That means a की power n multiply by b की power n. Bases आपके पास यहाँ different है, powers are same. तो at that time आपके पास यहाँ क्या होता है? bases जो है वो multiply हो जाते हैं. So it's ab raised to power n. Power will remain same, exponent will remain same, but the bases are multiplied here. For example, if I write 3 की power minus 2 into 2 की power minus 2. Bases are different, powers are same. So what we can write here further? 3 into 2 bases आपके multiply हो जाएंगे और power आपकी same रहेगी. So this is 3 2s are 6 raised to power minus 2. So making it positive exponent, we can do the reciprocal again. So it is 1 upon 6 की power 2. So this was the fourth law. When bases are different, powers are same, then bases will be multiplied and the power will remain same. That is a raised to power n into b raised to power n. This is equal to ab raised to power n. Now the fifth law. When bases are different but powers are same and these are in division, a raised to power m divided by b raised to power m. So at that time we can write it as a upon b raised to power m. Complete power we can write here, a upon b raised to power m, like this. Sixth law. Any number raised to power 0, that is always equal to 1. For example, 3 की power 0 is 1, 5 की power 0 is 1. All numbers or any number raised to power 0 is always equal to 1. So in general, for the negative exponents, for example, a raised to power minus m, what we can write? We can write it as 1 upon a की power m. पॉजिटिव एक्सपोनेंट उसका बना सकते हैं हम. a की पावर माइनस m को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? उसका रेसिप्रोकल करके वी कैन मेक इट पॉजिटिव एक्सपोनेंट 1 अपॉन a की पावर m. For example, 2 की power minus 2. This can be written as 1 upon 2 की power 2. Like this.